Hi, I'm doing a YouTube video today on baked cream corn that I got from my mother-in-law during this past Thanksgiving. So I would like to share this recipe, and um, and it's called Lynn's Kitchen, and I wanted to name it as Lynn's Kitchen for the YouTube. That's what's going to be called, and I would like to share this recipe. So I'm going to go step by step. And anybody, subscribe and hit like and subscribe, and tell all your friends to view it, to like it, to subscribe. Hit the button below, subscribe. So, anyways, I'm going to start the recipe. But I want to give a shout out to the Discovery Plus Magnolia table. I can't wait to watch. Um, I love the show Fixer Upper and Chip and Joanna Gaines. Chip and Joanna Gaines, from that show to other shows like Home and Family. I just love those shows. So if anybody, this is the recipe of baked cream corn at Lynn's Kitchen. So first you crack an egg, one egg. You put one egg, crack an egg. I'm not good at cracking eggs, so take one piece of shell out. So here, I got one egg in the bowl. You can't see it, but there's one egg. And then half a cup of breadcrumbs and 1 can. So I'm gonna open this cream corn, put it in the bowl. Get it from the can opener. Sorry about my kitchen anyways, this isn't the way. Oh, and once you want to do, you take a fork and I think you beat the egg. You put it all in. So you got the cream corn, the egg. Just beating it up here a little bit with a fork. So I beat the egg. So I got one egg beaten, a can of cream, Market Bassett cream style golden sweet corn. And then I need a half a cup of Market Basket golden breadcrumbs. That's what I'm using. And like I said, I've been watching a lot of cooking shows, from Cooking Channel to Food Network. A lot of my favorite shows, is Carnival Eats, Dinner or Drive-Ins with Guy Fieri, and I like all the food truck shows. So, and I do, however, like Trisha's Kitchen. I think it's called Trisha's Kitchen with Trisha Yearwood. and I like Pioneer Woman is another cooking show. Name a few. I love cooking. In fact, I did home ec in school. I have done food trades too. And anyways, like I said, I love cooking. It's something that can be creative. And hope to someday meet Chip and Joanna Gaines. So now I got a little mess here. Oops. Pick up my mess. So, and the other ingredient is McCormick ground nutmeg. So, and you put according to the recipe here from my mother-in-law is a little bit of nutmeg. So you got 1 can of cream corn, 1 egg beaten, and a half a cup of breadcrumbs. So, I guess I put this all together. In here first, I'm going to put it in here so I can put it all together and stir it. And then a half a cup of breadcrumbs into a bowl. And you stir it with the egg that I have beaten. And stir that in. I guess I can put a little more. And you stir that in. Then you put a little of this nutmeg. I put it in the bowl, and I'm gonna press that fork. And a little bit of this nutmeg. Sorry about the view of seeing the counter the way my kitchen is. And a little nutmeg. And you stir it. And I'll put some, and then I'll pour it in this bowl, glass casserole dish. And I'll sprinkle some on that. That's already washed. And then after you get in the bowl and stir it a little, I'm going to put a little bit on top. Alright, and now, see how that looks in the bowl? I don't know if you can see it. That's how it looks like in the bowl. That's the cream corn. I don't want to move it around too much. So anyways, then you bake it for an hour at the temperature 350. So long. This is Lynn's Kitchen. The recipe called baked cream corn. So long. Subscribe and like. Give it to. Thank you.